Hi, do you hate where you live? Well, come to the Mid-Atlantic colonies.
We're located north to the New Atlantic colonies and south to the Southern colonies. Our colony's natural resources include a variety of farm animals and fish.
We also grow tons of grain. That's why we're called the breadbasket.
We also trade with the Southern colonies and the New England colonies. We receive cotton and fish, and we give them grain for bread.
But don't go there. We're way better.
We have absolutely perfect weather for all of your outdoor activities.
It's never too hot or too cold. We also have many harbors and coastal lowlands.
We have many market towns for your shopping needs. There are many fishermen and farmers selling high-quality goods there. The Quakers are more tolerant of your religion, unlike the colonies in the southern region or the New England region.
You can believe in whatever you want.
Be quiet, everybody. We're gonna start.
We don't tolerate slavery here.
We believe everybody should be free.
We ain't no fancy people.
We working people. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button.